Chef Chad Kelley shares his secrets for the perfect candied ribs. Generously cover your trimmed spare ribs with a rub made from brown sugar, kosher salt, black pepper, chili powder, garlic powder, mustard powder, and cinnamon. Let rest for 15 minutes. Cook on a smoker at 225 degrees or wrap in foil and bake in the oven at 300 degrees for 3 hours. You'll want the ribs slightly undercooked, so you don't want the meat falling off the bone yet. Let the ribs rest and then slice and dip each rib in a glaze made from barbecue sauce, apple cider vinegar, and brown sugar. Cook for another hour until the glaze begins to caramelize and the meat becomes tender. Serve and enjoy! Share this recipe with friends and follow Fox Recipe Box.